Namaskar, my name is Kerstan from 9th standard. I am going to explain about automatic toilet cleaning machine. Clean toilet reduce the risk of different diseases. Toilet cleaning is very important for human beings. It is placed in a place where all germs or bacteria start their attack on human body. That is the reason usually toilet cleaning why the toilets need to be sanitized daily. There is a chance of transmission of diseases while cleaning the toilets. Objectives. Cleaning the toilets with objectives. Objectives. Cleaning the toilet with simple brush is not hygienic. Now I am going to suggest an idea of automatic toilet cleaning machine in hygienic way. Materials required: battery, wire, switch, PVC pipes, brush, etc. Procedure: take a 3 feet double face PVC pipe. Now take a simple procedure. Take a 3 feet double face PVC pipe. Now take a simple rubber pipe. Attach one end of rubber pipe to motor. Now place one shower at one end of PVC pipe. Now place different attachment of brushes on second end as per requirement. Clean. Uses: it can be used to clean all type of toilets. Uses: it can be used to clean all type of toilets and floor cleanings. It can be useful machines for all karmacharis. It made with locally available materials. Its cost is also very high. Its cost is also not very high. Thank you.
ఎక్కడ అయ్యి అదా కిందనే వాటర్ పైకి లేపుతా